Hello students, the question is from computer organization. Question is given as calculate the number of operations required to evaluate d equals to b square minus 4ac for zero address instruction and do not consider the initial load from the memory and the final store. Okay, so here we have to follow what zero address instruction, right? Zero address instruction set, or you can say that zero address machine. Okay, so this zero address machine, it is also called as stack machine. Okay, and whatever the all arithmetic operations will be taken, all arithmetic operations take place using top one or two positions on the stack. Okay, so for example, see, if I tell you c equals to a plus b, it will be push a, then we have to push b, then perform add operation, then pop c. See why this pop c has been used? It is used to access, this pop is used to access the memory. Okay, see in your question they have mentioned a one line, consider the initial load from the memory, do not consider the initial load from the memory and the final store in the memory, right? Means we have to neglect this part. Okay, so what the expression given is b equals, I'm so sorry, it is d equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is the given expressions and we have to find out the number of operations required. So similarly like this, what will be push b, then again b, then we have to perform a multiplication, so mult, then again we have to implement a, then we have to push c, then perform again a multiplication, then again we have to push 4, then perform a multiplication, and then after that so we obtain till here, right? So after that means we obtain, so this is used as subtract and then pop d. So this is not included because the question it is mentioned that we don't have to we have to neglect the initial load and the final store in the memory. So that's why this statement got neglected. So how many operations we required? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so total 9 operations are required, therefore answer is A. Thank you.